So if you guys have been wondering where the bobber is, it's been sitting right here the whole time. No, not really. Let me get on it and go for a ride. So I'm out on the bobber today, charging the battery before I go on my work trip. Yeah, deciding to go out and have a little fun while I'm doing it. Make a little noise. That was legal enough. I've been riding the bobber a bit here and there, just haven't shown you guys the bobber. Where does he think he's going? Took a couple trips on the Chieftain. Starting to use the bobber more in town and on long trips, so birdies, don't fly over and shit on me, birds. I go for stationary targets on the parking lot over there. And that guy over there looks like he's handcuffed to the steering wheel or something, or just praying that he can drive okay. Who knows? Having fun sitting at lights now. Actually, I'm testing out my Hero 7 camera today too, so it's the first time using it. Everything should be fine. I did a little test at home, and it seems like it works, so we'll just make sure it survives the actual outing outside. Little mic test. Make sure the mic still works good on this one. And come up here and sit at the light again. And I'm riding like Jay. If you guys haven't seen Jay Fast, check out his channel. He likes to zip around and make noise on his bobber. Should have went in front of that guy. Woof! 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 What if he heard me? He's looking at me. Yeah, he's afraid of the bobber. Here, doggy, doggy, doggy. Always love this turn. Ah, good. Metering lights are not on. Wow. There's no one on the freeway.
Oh, this crazy mother.
Fun blasting down the highway there. Oh, here comes a nice little feature for California. Did they leave me room? Yeah. Oh, maybe not that one. Damn it. They're a little tight. That thing's fat. Yeah, I can't quite make it there. Now I gotta sit. He's going to go. That wasn't legal. Legal enough. So, you know what I just did? That's not good riding habits. Go left. Not you. Me. Wah, wah, wah. Ah, there we go. I always like this turn for some reason, except for the bump here. Whee! I just always enjoy that little turn there. So if you like the video, hit that. Oh, got confused. Hey, at least I'm at first. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Later.